Okay, we've got the 17th of August 2026. This is a soil end face. I'm not sure what it is. Let's put it in an adapter. And let's just see what happens when we clean it. We haven't even moved it on the actually, what we've done is one of the things that has concerned me all along. We've actually moved, we've smeared the debris. See, the dry cleaning has smeared the debris. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this probe tool and moisten it. And what I like to do is clean and then dry. Let's see if it made any difference. So what we have here is something that is really embedded into this end face. Not sure how long this has been that way. So now let's go ahead and use the so now what we have is we've not done much better. So now let's take the solvent on the cleaning platform. Now what we have is what most would consider a pristine surface. This was all done in real time, the 3 different videos. It's the 17th of August 2026.